It don't make the young one them now the southern part of Africa outside come out, don't know what's in our music, don't really go into music, even into the film industry, it don't make them make a better life. This person a philanthropist, now also a businessman, a writer, a film director, and an actor as well. In name na Oliver Mtukudzi, born na Harare, 1952. African Temple this week, we go talk a little bit about him and make ourselves see the type of music when he do. They use the Shona tribe for sell out in talent and the style of music like African pop and African jazz. Once again, una Cabo and Cabo. We can go na two of in videos then. The one when Churi Nani and Hear Me Lord. Churi Nani is just one for tell you here inside the Shona tribe say, Motaman forget in respect. And the most better person when you think of in life, now Yusuf. He say nobody will do a better pass you, your personal person. A very good message. Now then can artists there here where we can ask for live long, but no more life. We're not going to live forever. He died at the age of 66. May his soul rest in peace. We'll now watch them two good videos here and we'll really come back.
Very sorry. It's difficult to say. It's difficult to accept. I have no words. Just as we've had performances together, both at home and in Europe, and certainly this, it's difficult to accept.
It's good to be here.
Say when I enjoying two good videos there. This man, you know, the animal make his soul rest in peace. As I say, this week African Tempo now a special tribute African Tempo to one of the African icon musically, one of the African music icon. We know the animal make his soul rest in perfect peace. In Dr. Oliver Umtekodzi from Zimbabwe. This man na UNICEF the goodwill ambassador and the human rights activist. Now somebody will really be the promote what we call peace, unity, and justice now in country. Now somebody will not ever mix into politics. Now somebody will not ever mix into conflict, because at times you go say musicians they can beef themselves one way or the other. But it makes sure say it bring all the young artists them come together for at least for able to sell the Zimbabwean music out of them small corner where they and sell them out to the outside world. And you don't push young artists them. And this young guy where it's kind of groom where they count in a regular style of doing things. He named Gary Tight and Olivier Ntugudzi try for feature this young guy for push him, you know. And yeah, they try for talk about a lazy person. You just get for fight hard for make things positive for you. A very good message. And the title of the now in these Re, a very good song, you know, say their own tribe is so difficult at times. And the Shona tribe, now one of the tribe this way, come up from the Bantu group, where come up right from Congo DRC, travel Angola, to reach another wonderful country. And then they talk one of the sub-region where you get Lesotho and all the rest of it. And the style of music is so unique and is so perfect. And the tribe, a very good tribe as well. This young guy, where in name Gary Tight, feature Olivier Ntugudzi. And after that, he get for go down South Africa. A song where he be fall for, where this group they call him Lady Smith Black Mambazo. He get for tell them say one of our music the way I like, I want feature owner at least like can inside my own tribe for let me people now where they over there we don't understand English that much able for like this music and they accept. Then go to studio, then do the recording. And the title now Hello Baby, a wonderful song. Just watch. Do more.
It's too much. We've lost a father. When I say a father, I mean like literally a father. I remember last Father's Day, he called us to Pagaripai and to Apedzazware say we were watching Neria and then we're talking about the old times and then he bought us lunch. He made the team restaurant to cook lunch for us. He would treat artists like sons, you know what I mean? So just being here and getting such a shocker, you ask yourself, who's going to be our father in the music industry? Who's going to keep us sane, you know, when we lose control?
kudai kuenda mberi maikwe ndotsoka zureka
kudududza usvika mberi kudududza kudzokera shure
handizive kutyiswa ende kana imwe yematsinza yakandidai
mweya yematsinza ungazive zvaineda zvandeziva mweya ine guma yakumaka
chino nechino ndabata chonitulusaka kubata ndidzabata pana chandabata kama una matete kure kuti okay zondipe Jehova Jaire ndisaruri oyendama ndisaruri samura koni rara ukoni samara keda ndide nam Jehova Jaire ndisaruri oyendama ndisaruri samura koni rara ukoni samara keda ndide nam kamana mavina makokora mberi paishe vozvininipa ameno kana mina macho yedu vachinzwa usakunun'una ramba uchikumbira
iko kugunun'una hakusi kukumbira aunekumbira kunazve usadaute uchikumbira zvichibva pasi pemboyo inogonera undetsvaga inga riri pauri
handionionishe notsorerara moiwere kutambarakene uripiko Jehova Jaire ndisarurire oyendama ndisarurire sarura konirara kutambarakene ndide nam Jehova Jaire ndisarurire oyendama ndisarurire
kutokumbira zvichibva pasi pemboyo konera unotaka inga riri pauri ipapo pauri ipapo pauri ipapo.
Hey baby, hey, hey beautiful girl, see.
Hey baby, hey, 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 hey,
Hey beautiful girl,
Saragadenga.
baby, hey, see.
Hey baby, hey, 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 hey,
Hey beautiful girl, come along to kiss me. If what I'm going, come along to kiss me. If what I'm going, don't you kiss me, nice.
Azori yangu,
If what I'm going, don't you kiss me, nice.
nice.
If what I'm going, come along,
Come along,
come along.
come along, come along. You.
Don't you meditate, see. Won't you meditate? I send a messenger to tell you that I want to meet you at the station.
The station.
Come along to kiss me.
Oh, mwe wangu,
If what I'm going, come along to kiss me.
azori yangu,
If what I'm going, don't you kiss me, nice.
nice.
If what I'm going, don't you kiss me, nice.
Oh, mwe wangu,
If what I'm going, come along,
come along,
come along.
come along, come along. You.
Hello, my baby.
Mwe wangu,
Hello, my
hello, baby. Mwe wangu, zuia. Mwe wangu,
hello, my sweet. Hello,
Tarakadenga yapata moyo wangu, my sweet Zimbe yakamenywa kale.
I love you. Hello, my baby. Hello, my sweet. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. Hello, my chocolate. Hello, my baby. Hello,
Tarakadenga yapata moyo wangu, my sweet Zimbe yakamenywa kale.
hello, my baby. Hello, my chocolate. Hello, my baby. Hello, my sugar face. Hello, hello,
Mwe wangu,
sweet
zuia.
chocolate. Hello, hello.
Zuia.
I love
My
you.
sweet Zimbe yakamenywa
I
kale.
love you. Oh baby, baby, baby.
Hello, my baby.
Baby, baby, baby.
Hello, my baby.
Baby, baby, baby.
Hello, my baby.
Baby,
Hello, my baby.
baby,
I love you.
baby,
Zuia.
baby, 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 baby.
I love you.
Baby, 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 baby.
I love you. Hello, my baby.
Hello, hello.
Hello, my baby.
So do I do love you, baby. So do I do love you too. So do I do love you, baby. I do love you too. I do love you too. I do love you too. I do love you, baby. So baby, 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 so baby, 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 baby. I love my baby, I love my sweet, I love my baby, I love my baby, I love you,
My sweet
I love you. I love my baby, I love my sweet, I love my baby, I love my baby, I love my baby, I love my chocolate, I love my baby, I hello my baby, hello my baby, hello my sweetheart, hello my baby, hello. I love you, I need you, 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 baby, 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 baby.
Charakadenga ya tora moyo wangu, my sweetie ya kametoka. Charakadenga ya pesa moyo wangu, charakadenga ya
baby, 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 hello my sweet, hello my baby, hello my chocolate, hello my sugar, hello my lover, sweet chocolate, hello my lover, I love you, baby, I need you, baby, I love you, baby, I love you, hello my baby.
This wonderful icon where Africa don't lost, now a big loss to the musical industry in Africa, but we always the tell us say this world na come we come and we get for go one day. He died from a very long sick when he be disturb him, and at the end of the day, he not be able for support. You know, some sick when they meet you able for support him, but she just get forgive up. But we always see may his soul rest in perfect peace. We goodwill ambassador, we UNICEF choose, the philanthropist, a very good somebody. We don't do good things for Africa. We don't push African music out of Zimbabwe and out of Africa. This man, as I say, an actor, now a film director, a film producer as well. And this video they can give now. We can give two good video. One of this video now from the film where it be produced in the 90s, and the title now Neria. Neria na a homage song to a woman we lost a man when they try for tell them say you man don't go, but you just for take, you get for take courage. You get for take courage because picking and DBN, and you get for groom them picking them for make them be better person. You say if you take off your man we don't go, and you sit down all the time the mourn too much, when you picking them get them feature, then you will be suppressed one day. He says so just take everything light, a very good message. And it will go for all the one that we don't lost the man then, and just take courage and see how best you will fight them for make the picking be better person. The second one they come when to Zezo. Yeah, again a song where they try to tell you say a woman not to slave, a woman not to person waiting for the marginalized all the time. Woman as somebody waiting for casual, wait for bio, wait for try for see how best that woman for be a better person than the married host. African Temple this week, a special tribute African Temple to Dr. Olave Umtukuzi, the African icon.
It's very sad and it's very hard to accept that Dr. Olave Umtukuzi is no more. And to me, I remember him as a humble guy. To me, he was a father, he was a friend. He taught me a lot of things. I used to go to Norton, I used to spend a lot of time at his home with him. Even when I worked with him on the song we did together, he never showed that he's not in the same he is not on the same level with me. When you see us working, when it was about music, we worked as if we were on the same level. You could take my opinions as if they're coming from someone else.
kushinga usaore moyo kanderia Mwari anewe usaore moyo kanderia Mwari anewe kanderia Mwari anewe usaore moyo kanderia Mwari anewe usaore moyo kanderia Mwari anewe shingaira kanderia Mwari anewe vanabatwa senhamo kugara senderera usaore moyo kanderia Mwari anewe usaore moyo kanderia Mwari anewe shinga moyo shinga Mwari anewe arufuru neshanje kutaura vandodanana usaore moyo anhatsi Mwari anewe usaore moyo kanderia Mwari anewe shinga moyo shinga Mwari anewe chinotata chiko chindomirira madhako idoro here rindoti mainga vatu idoro here rindoti mainga varo tozesa baba tozesa baba tozesa baba tozesa baba tozesa baba tozesa baba uya matakwa tozesa baba tozesa baba tozesa baba amachitaba tozesa baba tozesa baba tozesa baba uya makuriwa tozesa baba oi 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 manyanya.
Mr. Noxa now one of the Zimbabwean artists them we don't benefit from this wonderful man we know the anymore. Where himself say before he go left Solar he do a tribute song for him, and he do a wonderful tribute song for him where he titled Buru Huru, and entire he say God give and God take, a wonderful homage song to this wonderful musical icon where we don't lost. And as I say, this man don't do a great thing in the southern part of Africa, Usain Komot and Zimbabwe to be precise. They give another video game from the same man, Olave Ntukudzi Wena Hurori. There is a try to tell you about woman and girl picking. Say anything what the woman do for you or the girl picking do for you, you get for appreciate her. But may you not do the thing way bad for you, appreciate. A wonderful message. African Temple, a special one, when a tribute African Temple for late Dr. Olave Ntukudzi.
Oliver Mtukudzi, actually we share a birthday. I remember 3 years ago he once talked to me. We were meeting in one of the music shop in Johannesburg at Tom's. He said, hey, it's my birthday on the 23rd. I know it's your birthday on the 23rd of September. So I'm hosting a festival in Zimbabwe. So how about you coming over? Then I said, make an arrangement. Then we'll see if I can come and say, celebrate the birthday with us or with you, or we celebrate our birthdays. We're going to try and build from where Tuku left. Like with Uncle Hugh or Brahil, from where he left, we still working on his music even now. Like you see, I'm holding my instrument here. I was in the workshop. We were working on his music because really, he was an innovator.
Adzimai wasiyanani akoma wasiyanani anumuna wasiyanani anzvadzi wasiyanani mazukuru wasiyanani amai wasiyanani ivo baba wasiyanani sawira wasiyanani tepfuma wasiyanani zviroto wasiyanani chitendero wasiyanani zvipfuyo wasiyanani ivo bonde wasiyanani kambani wasiyanani iwe zvawasungamira kumbusha Siripo mangwana rashava nguva haizi yedu yekutamba nayo pasi pezuva kubuda kwaro kana kudoka ndinyadenga ngatiete misiya semberi kuvaka musiri kunatira Jehova karira mberi asinasi ndeka kusagira Sina kuoneka wanisia ndakatenga ndakasvinura Septemba iwe wanisia pamene ndiri pachena kutambana ndiko wakuwaenda karira mberi karira mberi sipanuruma karira mberi
mashati machena uzatenda uroi uzatenda uroi uzatenda uroi uzatenda uroi Satenda uroi Pande warare Satenda uroi Satenda uroi Satenda uroi Satenda uroi Satenda uroi Uzatenda uroi Uzatenda uroi Uzatenda uroi Uzatenda uroi
Anything we start with good, one day we only pray for like end with good. We go can left now with two good videos from we papa, from we big brother, from we uncle, from we African brother, Dr. Olaive Umtukudzi, we born in the 1952, and his soul rest in perfect peace. Let God give him good road, and we pray at least anybody willing to music, let God push that person for be international like how this man be international today. We can left now two of your video then. One Ndakurara where they try for talk about in what way they call. He say I they call me picking in mama for let I tell them say the cow the way at the men don't wound me. But when I they call the woman know they hear me voice. A very good message. And yeah, he say the woman at least for hearing a voice because now for the family way he fight for. And the last one now Tudi. Where this song that he make it sell all over the world. This song that he make people know and more and more and more. Today, it is singing as Shona, tribe as I say, and yeah, it say inside this music. It say, but I demand somebody will get HIV/AIDS. When you know say that person get for die. How you they kill yourself for somebody will get that type of sick? When you know say, however the case may be, one day that person they get for go. A wonderful song. We pray for the God, give a good road. The whole of African Temple crew They tell you, say, the producer, the cameraman, the all of SABC crew, they say, Papa God, give this man a very good road. Make at least Usain they go, let continue for do the good job for the one we get for go meet him in the future. African Temple. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.
You know, and so loyal to his music, you know, and I love his music. I love his music, and he gave his performances with love, and he was such a humble person, soft-spoken, very humble, you know, and he's created so much unity amongst us, you know, and yeah, I will miss him a lot. Well, it feels terrible.
Sekura, thee. What shall we do?
As always, for plenty thank you. So we need our partner now we carry this press conference live across the country. The community radio station then, we partner them at Frisell, we make sure so we get internet, Zoom labs, and of course WhatsApp. As always, before we come to the panel, it's now very important. So Salon under a public health emergency.
Do you know the TV show that brings to you the decision makers who determine and shape the country's policies and programs? Bottom Line is the show to watch.
Well, join Asmi Uba as it brings to the table movers and shakers of society and policymakers whose decisions have direct impact on your lives.
Bottom Line comes up every Thursday at 7 p.m. on SLBC TV, Channel 31 with Asmi Uba.
Bottom Line on SLBC TV, the program you can't afford to miss on SLBC TV, Channel 31. Join me now.
The show that touches every aspect of society as we leave no stone unturned.
It's Bottom Line, only on SLBC TV.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they've found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance. Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through, and we've all been here forever. Those who came, those who stayed, those who never returned. Tides turn, seasons change, we've waited and we've watched. But we've always been here. We've always listened, because there is a different resonance here. It comes from the river, and the land, and the sky.
It's our place, all of us.
This city belongs to everyone.
And you know when it's your time.
And it's our time.
Listen, we are Freetown.
The golden rules of Freetown.
Don't pretend you're something that you're not.
Don't go thinking you're better than anyone else.
Or that anyone else is better than you.
Don't shout about it. Get on with it.
We are Freetown.
Freetown!
Freetown!
Yeah!
We found our voice again.
I'm from India and Freetown.
I'm from China and Freetown.
I'm from the UK and Freetown.
I am from Nigeria and Freetown.
I am from home and Freetown.
This city belongs to everyone.
The fisherman,
The taxi driver,
the barber,
the drummer.
From the infected area for group and other person. So we make most of the transmission they happen inside hospital or within the same household where the person there. You know, the people know that they share now fluid, when they exchange different things there. Now that make it very important. The journal, we visit my colleague, the Minister for Employment, Labour and Social Security on January 10 as part of the President's initiative for look at what the ministry they do. During the visits, the Honourable Vice President will engage with the Honourable Minister for Labour and Employment, Mr. Mohamed Rahman Soare, and the senior staff of the ministry. He will receive updates on job creation, private sector agreement for safe migration, apprenticeship scheme, dispute resolution, and other things with the ministry they do. NCIA, the National Civil Registration Authority, don't urge all the citizens them for make with trial we get with biometric ID. Card. This card will contain your national identification number. Where will be essential for you access various services across multiple sectors. Now remember, so we don't only extend the deadline, but somebody reach now for all man go and do this work. Statistics big meeting yesterday where they welcome technical experts then from UNFPA, UN Economic Commission for Africa, and the US Census Bureau. They can do assessment for the 2025 Salone Population Housing Census. Fambo Longono say inside this year, President Baby already declared say we're going to do the decennial census, which they happen every 10 years. Now big year this, and so we get partner them from around the world. We don't come for can assess how we do, who do, and who can support Sudan commitments with the two countries then get for promote peace and unity across Africa. Officially approved for replace the Civil Service Code in the 2011. That Civil Service Code in Aromic and public, available all man can read them, and we congratulate the Minister for good work who will bring this Civil Service Code to the 21st century. His Excellency President Biden left yesterday, Monday, 13 January, for go now the United Kingdom. It be at the invitation of His Majesty King Charles III. This visit here are part of the commitments where the UK government wants show to Salone and the respect we then get for the leadership of His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio. So the President, Madam Fatima Bio, currently they're on that official visit day to the UK.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance.
Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through.
Of Salone Armed Forces don't announce and then they request and listen. That means people can join into the cadets.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own
Salone Army, the Navy, and the Air Force for say a limited number of interested and qualified Salone people. The this, if for this Salone by birth, that means they are for born in Salone and then born in Bonia. If you get national identification card, if you be medically, physically, and psychologically fit, then go for test online. If you be free of any criminal conviction by the court of law, if you don't catch you by any UK business. If you be between the age of
Elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance.
Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through, and we've all been here forever.
The boss ready before the market woman them. This mean, listen. How this affects them, and what's in the once more. After we don't talk to them, 3 people here, the person will bring the baton, but they will know this now, you know, go, now they give the baton, now they come and say that the Minister for Agriculture and Food Security, President Blue flagship in Feed Salon. What in this mean for Feed Salon? And what in now we do for Feed Salon for make sure say as we take this forward, we will continue to advance the Feed Salon agenda. So, and so we take the conversation, okay? Now, without further ado, the Honorable Minister for Trade and Industry, I can always look for the people who say, I'm a teacher. All the good things the people are serving me for. Minister of Trade and Industry, go ahead, sir.
Hello. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Colleague ministers, who formed the order, the one who watch. In the afternoon, I wish everyone a happy new year. Happy New Year? Okay, and we report to all that 2025 will be a prosperous and a very peaceful year for this country. Okay, today we can't talk about how we do as a ministry. All time we go for good talk, the people of the Ministry of Trade, waiting for do the price control for good announce a very reduced price. But for good one, the time a policy they develop for us policy and they help you. Over the last couple of years, because of global supply challenges, then the war in Ukraine and Russia, whether there are 2 countries where they produce grains, that factory further Hamburg, how the price of bokutin at the world for petroleum products and for food. Not just about what somebody they produce, even the roads that people in the past, the routes and the way they pass. We said the ship they contain at 2,000, 4,000 for where they go China, now it don't double. So all the total price and they go up, the person they receive the final board in Panande, now they go by the last one that grace. So we don't realize if we continue like this, it will run away as a country because there are security commodities and for we. For all the follow the news in Kenya, where essential commodity prices and go up on the petrol and rest. People in demonstrate, the violent demonstrations, they last for weeks. But for now, as a government and as a country, I think we don't try. So even when the price of fries don't begin to go up to some level, it go up to some level. As petrol price go up small more, it affects all other things. The price of fries everyone can go up. So now the ministry, now we decide to say, well, let me sit down, no, so I will address this. But that's a committee like petrol, so government will subsidize. Petrol and public government, they subsidize money for country government, nobody take up for us. We and the oil marketing companies there, we sit down for over a year for petrol. So today, we get a pricing formula for petrol in London. I want to take this opportunity for publicly thank the oil marketing companies and for their support throughout that process there. Now we start and now we end down, we don't go down there. Then now we can begin us for last month, we don't go 8 months. Again, I will say a big thank you to all the rice importers in this country because they've been over 8 months. Now, serious consultations, serious meetings, because imagine you get for firm a fine balance between first the revenue the government will get there, then the consumer, the welfare, then the
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for a year or two and stay for a lifetime, sensing that they found a city that is in the world, yet sufficiently on the edge of it to have a different resonance.
Let me tell you something about this city. All of us, we're all just passing through, and we've all been here forever.
Those who came, those who stayed.
No problem. So we identify all the cost components. How much is the virus? In fact, we get to they call two costs. You get institutional cost, but largely that are the cost that the government they charge. They get to they call private cost. The private cost now what they call like the one they go to church, the one where staff salary, utilities, all that 15 in there. And then we sit down, we identify all, then we cost all one by one. We say, for example, by the time we invest now, it will not cost this amount. Then profit and all, enough for pass down, but we'll get a final one today. Then also, because of the distances from here to the various districts then some side of the road above, I will finalize my colleague Minister of Transport, I will wait for them, then they put a cost list. Once I get down there, very soon we will do a press release on that. So for some of them here, not to know, we work with Boku other players then. Because all of this today, the main thing that brings stability and peace in the country, let people able to eat. Once you eat, you go down, you go get peace. So the two major commodities in this country, I believe, say the security implication for petrol and for us. No one person will grab one based on this policy that agree on. If they grab one and say the way is price rise or no, we get a committee we don't set now. We end the whole state there. When they come, we review, we check what's in the rope. If not exchange envelope, we will sell the calculator. Or we will go bank or salon for interview for report for an exchange if not don't go. If not transfer international market.
A place cannot produce poems. It can only not prevent them. And Freetown is good at that, for Freetown has its own sudden elegances. People are slow to leave it, quick to return. And there are others who come for.
So any small percentage of you increase. We don't look at what percentage you don't go up. Then we all consider the kind of agree say, okay, this, now so it will, now so this zone go up, now so it add, or now so it reduce. If you notice the price of petroleum products, it can go up, it can kind of, it will go up, it will kind of, what you do, it's transparent. And the good thing about having a pricing formula and transparency, now they promote. You understand? Then also, because we're a small country, we get to one level they do right now, we know that it's by ongoing, we get pricing formula, also help you for stock cartels. If you're in a small country, they get small players then, it is more than can, then gather one day. We are aware of people who run large quantities, whether they try to get rid of, because then they don't go they up small. But we got to make sure say we release our ASAP before the end of the week. The official price they ought to take place completely. So with these few words, Mr. Minister, the audience from below, I tell you my thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Minister. See, you even give me 1 extra minute of the 10 minutes I give. I really appreciate that. I just want to use this opportunity for just make clear a few things as well. One is the idea of a formula for yes, that we promise with President Bio make. Say this is something that will be done. Last year, we do the Finance Act, 2023 to 2024. That be one of the promises in that. Some journalists been on the ask. And so now if you say impossible, we can never do it. We think President Bio don't always say, everything we know for, the man will talk, it do. Like how the minister say, for do the cancer, you don't just working on money, no, you don't. Months and months and days and weeks of efforts, bringing different players around the table and agreeing on creating the system therefore be. The big question, how many years now on this retail price, almost what's the effects of this? Like how the minister don't say, it don't start system area. I must say they're in touch with the colleague Ministry of Transport because we have to factor in, like I talk about, the cost them. We pay inside the risk in price itself. So we will factor in the transport price and not the back. We need to grab them, government need to grab them and say, that's all transport for the government, they make sure we talk to the union, the people, all of the sector there again. So now a complex thing, but what's in clear, now government and commitment for do the best for the citizens of this country. Now we'll come to the brother from CTC, Isham. When this news broke, the big conversation was about importers. Why you even be interested in sitting down with governments to end up with a pricing formula of this nature? What we want to, I think the reason we decided as a ministry to invite you here as well, because you are part of the Sierra Leone community. The decisions you make affect all of us. So as one of the biggest rice importers, right? CTC is the biggest. CTC is by far the biggest rice importer in the country. Speak to us about why it was important to engage with the government and what this means for you, for the bottom line, and for the business that you are doing as well in Sierra Leone. We'll give you 5 minutes because you are not a government minister. So we'll give you 5 minutes.
No problem. Thank you, Mr. Honorable Minister, for this meeting. And as always, we always coordinate with the Ministry of Trade. By far, every week we send our stocks to the Ministry of Trade. And we have been working together to make the prices fair to everyone, to every part of this supply chain, which is the supplier, the consumer, and the private sector, and also the ministry, of course, because it's very important to have every part in the supply chain to continue. So we have been in this business for 40 years, and we only do rice. So this is not by chance. This is by hard work and effort. Before this prices take effect, we had a meeting with the Ministry of Trade 1 month ago, and we informed them that prices were going down. So the international prices are going down, okay? And the exchange rate was stable and still stable, thanks for the government of Ceylon, because without this, the price of rice will not be 800 now. The exchange rate has been stable for more than 1 year, which is also contributing in stability in major commodities prices in the country. So we have been working together with the Ministry of Trade to reach a point where we have a fair price, okay, which is always been affected and will be affected by the market dynamics and market forces. So we reach this price step by step, and we had the opportunity to import rice before at high prices, but we didn't, so we cut short of parboil for 3 weeks. We were short on parboil for 3 weeks. That contributed in a bit high prices in the market. Then like 2 weeks ago, we had a vessel, okay, which is a small one, but it's contributed in decreasing the prices from 925 to 850. So the price was 925, and without the intervention of government, it went to 850, because we are the largest importer of rice. So we have our role also. Of course, our role aligned with the ministry role to ensure that we have fair prices. So we imported the rice on the lower prices or a bit lower prices, so that contributed in what we are seeing now. Now, for the future, we really don't know, but we hope that the international market will remain stable and the freight will remain stable and the exchange rate remains stable. This will contribute in stability in prices. We cannot compare fuel to rice. Fuel is a stock market, while rice is international market, free market. The fuel is stock market as gold, as other commodities, as cocoa, as coffee, okay? So we reach this pricing with the Ministry of Trade because we did our homework, we did a combined effort with the ministry throughout the years, but lately, in the past 2 months, we have been always integrating with the Ministry of Trade to ensure that the people of Ceylon will have the rice at their doorstep in a very competitive prices. Thank you.
I just want to say to family who watch and listen to me, Minister of Youth Kilek for Ceylon to Soya. It's important to remember that this country not to serve below. Now, government's big decision happen. We count all the government ministers, we count the private sector, we count some of the union government, consider in front of the ordinary citizens and talk to them direct and explain the process. President Boran's the level of transparency in the government of Ceylon is true. Well, something below talk not just say, not just say I've been there. So at least we know from the horse's mouth, and this is not part of what we're proud of. Now the Minister of Information, I see the Honorable Deputy Minister, Diana, will also do this work, the Deputy Minister of Information and Civic Education, Honorable Alhaji Bokari Abdul Aziz Bawa. The man who Alhaji, I know go it. Advanced Alhaji, instead of one you Alhaji back. I want to say thanks to CTC and Shan for when you make the time for Kenya and for explaining in a company one day of 40 years plus, and explaining also the steps and the process and the listening, so family will understand. Because of issues. How this they affect the market woman them? A good thing, high good, what else would I foresee for now achieve this goal or again when for feed this country and for make sure so people put pots in the fire and they eat and they okay. Yusuf and Timaya, they need 5 minutes. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. In Jesus' name. Well, I want to thank my thank you. All the ministers in Macedonia, but particularly the Minister of Trade, because they are the head of trade. And I know see any kind of initiative here. I let person get for EPA, but I think it will be the person who will for initiative. So we'll tell you about thank you. If I, yeah, if I, God bless you all. Before I came here, when Charles called me, I called different districts. I get to my child listing so that I get clear information. And some of the things they wouldn't tell me, it does what I talk about here. First, they appreciate me for the reduction of the price, but they get confusion because Nigerian rice, you say imported rice, but all imported rice they name. You get Bella, we have seen a CTC in the not so, Bella, okay, Bella. We get jasmine, we get honey, we get different with different qualities. And if we say imported rice uniform, Usma will be the parboil. Usma will be the 840,000. Number two, the minister mentioned the issue of transportation. But in business, transportation is one aspect. Nobody. I know say they buy the citizen, they get labor. People who they pull out from the store, and one country to carry them, they pay them. From where they go back at the same thing they get for them. So, right now, that 840, like what I call Kailan, they say they divide 930,000 right now. Konodugu at the same price. Tombo at the same price. Kono at the same price. Yeah, so the issue of make sure sustainability of the price is very, very important. And also the monitoring aspect of it. So make sure people know deep people there. Because even inside Komodo Street, they get as far as they can for teaching them, they get the far side. They get for buy the rest and we can go back at a different price. How we make sure their price where CTC will volunteer for me, it will be sustained. What I talk about rentage, because if someone says for say, we business people then, they go and shop, where from that products where they sell, and they pull for pay at the end of the year rent. Then they make some suggestion to me. They ask me how the tax. I say no. I just advocate for them advocacy because I know that's where they talk. I say they pay tax. I say they pay GST and tax. I don't know if not true what they talk. I know that the GST they out of it. I also tell them say if the problem coming from the ECOWAS origin or the ECOWAS trade liberalization scheme, don't clarify for say as long as from ECOWAS origin if we get tax-free. And in this aspect, not all from within the ECOWAS region, you can run in other countries. So how about that tax day? Yeah. So even the suggestion say the dealers, they forgo extra money for doing intervention. We know say government they try, but then say for look, sometimes we will get all the go dealer koyane. Panty meaning what they do business. If for say this, if I sell and if I left myself and then they make profit. Before tomorrow I pay and I just get rid of them. So the dealers then get for make sure when they can maybe intervene more, Mr. Minister, because wait a minute, now business people there, they know how they do and for make sure for the government, they know more good money in terms of research. So please, I'm appealing to you as a dealer. Pardon? To do more interventions in terms of price reduction. Government is trying, but I think as a private person, you need to come again. Please, come again.
We already...
Hold on.
We already deliver in Freetown for free, from Tombo to Waterloo. Beyond that, it's not our work to do. You know, you have to observe retail prices by the observers.
Let me finish my 5 minutes so that
your 5 minutes actually over, but we'll give you 2 more minutes and tomorrow because I think you're making an important point. Get 2 more minutes. Go on.
Yeah. Okay. I think say we all had the money. They were not the money. Yeah, they know the struggle. Up to today, people they get 600, 700,000 salary. You know they buy rest. If you put at 800, if you say buy 800, you know the parents, you know go eat because passing the rest with pay. So meeting for say the movement on I don't take so the initiative. We are therefore continue with them, do more engagement, so that the people then. The dealers, I don't know anybody in this country. How many dealers they become? I make talk about ETLS, ECOWAS liberalization, so that let the business liberal. Let the order come. That could be competition. So don't think about talk about so not to talk to boku because we want to sell the other they will sell it's a reasonable price. So, Mr. Minister, I want to stop there.
Thank you. As many always they bring and come to life. They always get the ability for showing the reality. And they do work well. You know, we talk about democracy. Anti-Marie they show what's my democracy. He said, what kind of also all constituents because the camp for CAM represents them. And also because I'm a civic education minister, there's something powerful too for me, Anti-Marie here in Cham, get that conversation, they want to say, for provide that kind of platform there. I've been saying to go to the Minister of Agriculture, but I think Anti-Marie has some important points there and no one lost the momentum. So he asked some important questions there, Mr. Minister. People know, I sure some most of the questions we can around it in lines and so I'll give you chance first, then we'll come out to the Minister. But in 3 minutes, if you want to touch on the issue that was just know about the generalized issue. Who's careless to talk about? With remember when we talk about questions around tax, transports, labor costs, ECOWAS, the implications and anything. I don't know if you're able for a lap inside 3 minutes, and then I'll go before. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Minister. Thank you, Anti-Marie, for very interesting questions today. On the generalize, we not generalize. We take Pablo because I am the demand for this country, and averagely, like, MRI it, you know, and an price we take. You understand? But we get price for all the other arrested. What choice in the room? I think what choice you agree around 730 or 740 there, but as we go, the price is down. Yes, we get the list, we go share. But this price will be talking about, so the price, when I am price, the end of the land, price, high. For transmitting, for now, we look at as a luxury good. We not ready for transmit. So that we look into we primarily focus on waiting ever able to afford for it. On transport, as I said, I get the list of transport now. I have a reader, but with the work with my colleague minister of transport for all determine the price there across the country. I'm looking at the general transport. I do an analysis here where they tell you transport plus profits plus rent, all waiting there. Yeah, but tomorrow, when the colleague minister don't talk, we will try to put a final price list. And we don't per district. We will note the distance, we will note how bad the road is. Then for the rent, that not true. It makes a lot of sense for consider as a component. We will consider we will also put for rent by bad. But all of this work, we also recognize the presence of my entire team. I get the deputy minister will there with me. I get the senior permanent secretary and other staff of Ministry of Trade. Now all of us we put this together. I also make people recognize them and say thanks to them.
Thank you very much for joining thank you to the Ministry of Trade, staff name, and Sister the Honorable Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, people in Sabian. We're talking about Antimony and possibly Sabi mobilize at the grassroots level. The Deputy Minister and one outstanding person, they do a very good job, Madam Kaibo, so we tell you thank you. We also, of course, the Senior Permanent Secretary in Save Day and other senior staff of the Ministry of Trade. Now we come to we'll talk about yes, Rashid Salon. At the end of the day, yes, Ministry of Trade. But President Bo's signature, flagship for a second term, is saying we should feed this country. But that day, he gave very specific meaning. Information so we also increase local rice production and local rice consumption. Mr. Minister, with these developments, yes, we reduce price and all this. Tell me, who said we did Pamphid Salon, what's in this main Pamphid Salon, and what's in the do for make sure, say, even as we reduce imported rice, we know the lost track that President Bo envision for sale, let me produce more rice and make way able for consume more of the rest they will produce. Mr. Minister, you get 10 minutes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Minister. From Nadu, Mina Dr. Henry Musa Paka, the Minister for Agriculture and Food Security, Government of the Republic of Sierra Leone. I want to commend you, Honorable Minister. We say not to say I've been there. This indeed, I don't do some of the press conferences, then, but this is one of the one that we have is a very salient, very topical, and you get the right sort of people at the table for Talk Bottom Live to people them for understand very well. So really, the not to say I've been there now largely because of you at this table. So let me tell you thank you. On the topic, look, the rice price formula. Look go the first before I come to feed salon. People that we know me don't say I be don't be around small. The pricing formula for fuel. That's I mean I've been the chief technical advisor to the then chief minister. We work on that. That's been good thing because salon we know they produce oil. Now buying them with the buy and an essential commodity, very important for all things we do. So we have to make sure say we get fairness in the price, predictability in the price, so we know when the price they go up, where they can do. Now the same way back, we don't come to the rest with the minister, don't lead the charge so very well. Small difference there between this, the rice pricing formula and the fuel one. The rice pricing formula, we all have for the growers, we all have for the eat, we all have for the grow. So yes, not good thing for the reason how we the minister don't talk about predictability, fairness, and for make sure say we reduce, we bring transparency. And the transparency now like this, we will tell you now say the global rice price they can go also we expect say CTC not go sell the rice price high. But if they go back, we can call and say, when I do, not the local rice, we want buy imported rice, the price they can go up. So that really, now that's we get with this. But I think a good thing back because we inform people and people don't understand. So now that's President Bill Watch. He talks say, we as a country, we get everything we need. We come for this rest business here. In fact, this country, we dey export rest before term now. See, all we get is we for the grow, we own rest now, yeah? Producer now, seller now, let people they eat now. Now we go land. When my colleague minister he talk say we COVID come, we Ukraine war come. Some people they be ban rest self for sale. That's this India way they talk about so. They be the ban they say they sell rest. Just very recently. So as well we were glad enough because the price don't come down. But I want to see them. Let all man know people from where they pay attention. This is not good thing President we don't do for let bring fairness. Because it's in a progressive issue down there, for let bring transparency so that we will know everything that happen. But what President Bill really wants now, for let it transition we now all for now on our left for this imported rest to local rest. And so now the government put everything in power for make sure say we will produce enough local rest, plenty local rest, the price will come down and when I will eat them. Even Ishamo Sidona, we get for change in business model. We change them because in order to sit down anymore, they buy imported rest. Now the rest will they grow now again for they buy, a process, a package, and sell. Now that feels a little about. And by the way, we and Isham, we don't start this work. We signed an MOU with the Minister of Trade. We signed we passed policy in a cabinet say they're imported and get 18 months for participating in the rice value chain. Isham at one person we don't come to win 4, 5, 6 farm them, you don't go see rice mill them, you don't really understand how people they grow rest now. We get a draft MOU, we know for sign on Isham, so that people don't believe say what you wanna say when I want to do when I go do them. So we get for change in business model because now that fits are really about. So I want people to know say yes, not good thing. But a temporary thing, and important for me to know that because the way I go now, and Boku reason there by the way, now can they? The reason why I make President Bill for feed yourself now because if country grabs say in any sell rest, we will not go bother, we get we own. If war come, if transport costs go up, we for freight, we not worry because we get we own. Country will not able to feed itself, not really sovereign and not really independent. Now that make President Bill for one. Then I one. The second one back now. Where you buy your local rest now your brother, sister, local farmer now need benefit from her. Now you buy from, it send him to them go school, it grow in business, then they get other benefits. What they buy imported rest, now the other farmer the other side with the benefits, not to own, right? Then the money what they take, the foreign reserve, because not to live with the buy rest overseas in $1. We not the make dollar. So now anything we reserve. If we able to stop for imports that boku rest, that dollar we will spend. If we make it will make the economy, I said and can say a bankable. What bankable means we not going to rely on IMF. This invested and Ghana do all kinds of because we get reserve. But as long as we want to buy chop, we able to produce now from other people there. We're not going to do that and they will spend reserve and we'll pay IMF, World Bank program T, we're not going to get a bankable economy. So that make it very important and that reason and then we President Bill see, we say we will do feeds alone. Feeds alone, now a long process. This year we don't put a long until we the export rest. Now we far. So it good because yes, we care for the welfare of people. Even the farmer they want cheap rest right now because they do the work. So this way we don't do so, not good thing. But let we know say it will go up, it will come down, and for that where you all landing, let we join hand and do this feeds alone for doing very, very well. We the maybe they talk. He said the transport, these, all anything if we go, we don't local arrest. And by the way, the police boku local arrest. In the regional market, because then village and then they eat. Like right now, if you go, then village and boku, plenty then get arrest. Then they're not going for care stuff, but this price change. For now, they're not going for care. For the next 3 to 4 months, because they get arrest. Right? So now down they will really, really want to do for make sure say yes. Even as we get today, because the price favorable to get price reduction, the main goal will get now we own rest for the producer and plenty. And we produce and plenty, the price will handle, right? And for we now, government they put money inside this, but we want let businessman they come. We want let Isham them, let them decide to then go produce local rest now. Either produce or process now, and for do that they get to be competitive. So it means, yes, as the local, for me, I like the challenge, not challenge. Where businessmen and kind of want to make profit also. If then competition, their own price go down, it go hard for them small, but we go take that challenge, innovative ways than they, for make sure, say, they say go improve them productivity so that the rest price when people are able to afford, we will get under. Yeah? So we do plenty in them for make sure so we reach that goal there. Right? Last year, when I say we reduce importation of rice because we put the previous year we put Boku land under cultivation. But I'll go through the number and we'll do. We put as a country, this is we done so up to 600 hectares. All not a government anymore. This is not all man, government or without government, hectares of rice. I mean hectares under rice cultivation. We will put under rice cultivation. If we that make Saleh they eat about 131 kg rice per person per day. Then a boku rice. The how much rice will they import now? Waiting 400 per year. 400,000. Yeah, so now 1.1 million metric tons of rice now we need. Then they import 400. The 600 now we farm and they produce, and that balance all this work here what they do now for try for making. So we get a massive irrigation scheme. We officially by God power this year we will get at least 1,500. We will produce rice 2-3 times a year. We will make sure say we see them at the market. So people they can ask me why they produce rice. We say yes, partly we say because people they eat them. But we this year going forward. We will make sure say the salon rice will produce. Isham will buy them, then process them, package them, and sell them. Other people then the BFE by the way that them do. The school feed they do this year, then buy rice across this country from home, package them, feed we begin in a school. Right? The president is a several champion for raise Boku money for the private sector then come for do milling. We do 2 hubs, one at Cambia, one at Tomago winner, modern rice mill there, so that the rest of mill it go look like the way Isham and they bring or better. Actually, it go better because we own it fresh. There is a way they can bring, sorry, I know some not to but there is a way they can bring. So now, 5-6 years old, you get high content starch, all that thing. We own. We then pull on this season no more than bitter and can, they sell it fresh, they smell good, they eat them. Now, down there, we want to continue for the do inside feed salon, yeah? So, Mr. Minister, last stop here now. I tell you, thank you.
The Honorable Dr. Henry Musa Baka, Minister for Agriculture and Food Security. One more thing what President Bodo really do, now that he don't place competent young people and give them big portfolio there and then they deliver. This minister, the flagship minister for the government of Salon, and Mr. Marawi, he moved to the tobacco. He always like what introduce and tell people and say, this minister has a book plenty. He learned fine book. And this minister will do a PhD, one of the top universities in the world. In dissertation, not been the best in that university. These are just young person and plus now, incredibly competent young person. And by the results of your work, they see, President Bo put a young man who will do the work. So many what he say, like the Amengo and Palabo, they say, dry meat is sweet. But what you go for it? Say the meat the dry. What's in this the dinner is we don't look for dry the meat. What's in the parent do is say why would the meat the dry? What do they eat now? Let that price the bamboo down. But the important thing the minister say our family know because the price formula and all the announcement too. What's in make my formula? That means like Isham say if the international market something happen there, it will be reflected in the formula now. What's in will achieve my predictability and clarity when the dates can do. Now the minister will achieve. Now ultimately all factors that will work, it will lead to reduction. But reduction is not guaranteed. I want to do the record. Because tomorrow, if price go up, the money will say, oh, government, no, what will announce? Now it transparent formula, predictability, Now they announce, and then they invest in self-reliance. So to Susa, economists and also predictability, very important. So, then the government will achieve that. But the ultimate goal of the government of Salone, not to follow again more important rest in Salone. The goal, Mr. Minister, the middle, and for now we're able to produce enough of real waste now. We see the people in the call them way. We want to produce that less now. No, so sir. Now it's an plenty. Let Isham them change the business model. Not the airport for distribute and sell licensing. And a bundle they continue for do every year. All right, Jama, now time for ask question. Before I ask, let me read the question that will come. Maybe one say, if we go up for improve the system for the future, somebody will congratulate the government by say shop owner. This is Ahmad Obi from Makini. He said congratulations to the government for the reduction, but shop owner will still sell above the price given by government. It's in that enforcement question. I don't ask him. Why are people still selling above the price given by government? Okay, same. Somebody that has written the price now, we don't answer that day. What's not the strategy for how we disallow too much exportation of our local rice? Important question. This question comes up from Mohammed B. China Jalo. China, the nation so. He said, whose measures will they take on the retailers that are willing to sell half cup? Mr. Minister, and for rights dandy. Somebody say, what would be the price for Dawade Kailam? Somebody will message me from Kailam. And when we will get the new standard cup in the markets, Mr. Minister, we hear back. Somebody will tell me, okay, retail price, please. What are the cost for retailers? Okay, somebody say, who's the price will reflect to the ordinary man? Okay, then Osfran Kamara say, is the new price formula on Paboras as a result of the 10% reduction on export tax per metric ton by India in October 2024? It's a very technical question. He said India will reduce. Yes, just take note of the question. I'll come to you. Just take note for now. What is the total collected so far from the NRA 5% on rice imports? And I said the announced last year, say 5% on all importation of rice from Budayak to Fit Salone. Mr. Minister, I don't know if you get the answer. While I today, I don't text head of NRA, and I don't also text Bank Minister of Finance for see if I will get the answer. I may not have the answer when I today, but for tell you, say, I'm committed for providing the answer to that person you don't ask. What should I do? Season question are small. Now give me 2 minutes. And I answer them, they'll come out to the Minister. You get quite a few. If you're able to touch them, 2 minutes, quick, yes. Then I'll come to Isha after the Minister.
Yes, the first question on compliance. Where have been the talk? I did mention, say, we will use the agencies that we'll get to. We'll get the local content agency, we'll get the consumer protection agency, we'll get a quality assurance department. They will also get standards bureau underway. They don't begin work together for now make sure say the price they can. But more important than the public for help. Because if we don't get the information, we will not be able to act. We will complete this process, forget the prices per district. Once we get an now, we will execute immediately. On the export of rice, Musala has a filler handle that, right? We will talk more than that. Then on half cup price, if you know, last year the ministry rolled out a metrification system. Where we one day in line with the entire world in terms of how we measure things there. We don't get the cups now, we don't distribute, we don't sell some. I think standards we don't need for improve on this. I gave it to the last week and 2 weeks ago they emphasized it. So I'd expect say inside this week, the next few weeks, then we'll roll out Boku cup then at the level. And tomorrow I will expect to for help with that. For like all my Nakituma Nigerian cups, they complain, the Oscar measurement, but not that to go use. Half cup price done at the law. If you go use cup, not to standard cup, the law will take your course. we're not going to allow them to happen at all. Then for the retail prices at the lower level, at the cup level, we will allow the market forces and for the time to under one focus price per the bags, the wholesale, then the bag per retail, and how much it will cost per district. We will influence all of that. As I say, that information there, we will put all as and then moderator will emphasize all of this that will ensure transparency and predictability, and also let people know from cartel around the price of rice, all under the headway.
All right, thank you, Mr. Minister. Isham, you want to answer the question directly on whether the reduction, the direct results of some reduction in India?
Yes, correct. India has reduced the tax by 10%, the export tax. This is like what we can say, this is the international factor. For the local factor, the 5% duty is 25 lyon per bag. But we are happy that this tax is contributing in the agriculture and is contributing in the agriculture of rice. So this 5% is contributing 25 lyon per bag. But this is to encourage I think Dr. Musa can also emphasize on that. This is to contribute in the agriculture of rice and to support farmers. And as Dr. Musa said, we are always ready to pack the rice everywhere in the country. We have mobile machines that can go everywhere in the country, and they can bag up to 40,000 bags a day. But the problem with the local rice is the cost of local rice is still high compared to the imported rice. So we should work together with the government and with the Ministry of Agriculture all to reduce the cost of the local rice. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You want to add something, Mr. Minister?
And also the quantities available are not sufficient for the Sierra Leone local market, the local rice. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Isham. Just a question in me, but I'll just talk on the cost of local rice. The reason why people in the left now, India and the growers put on a ship and canteen, it's cheap now because the government and over a long time ago they don't subsidize the farmer them. Plenty don't give them money. We as of now we not get that. Enough money for subsidized your farmer and put all anything in place. We go make setting, you go grow rice na India, Briancana, cheap. So but we work on them, and then the reason we make me feel a civic responsibility. For that, in fact, even if we are less expensive small, but you, because of all the interconnectedness, then the way if you buy your own farmer in your rest now your sister. Now you cousin, you became, now then go benefit. Now we reserve, now you go grow because of them benefits. Then if you able to buy local rest. Ishama, you know the rest what they produce now, plenty. Yes, it pass the one that they bring. What's the number? We like rest now, boku. We eat rest 3 times per day, so we will meet up all man. So that's not true. But we produce boku rest.
Mr. Minister, in prices, we never produce enough for the demand that we get.
I agree. I agree on that.
Okay.
Agree. Yes. Now 65% because on a given year, 65% market demand out of meat.
Okay.
On a given year, any given year. So that is not true. But that don't mean say we don't take all the steps for begin for improvement. And if it's alone there about for close that gap where they. And even though they say the demand, the rest organ we not get the demand, but beaucoup rest they go Guinea, Liberia, this beaucoup Senegal. So now the conundrum is so people can ask me, hey minister, I don't produce so we need this here. We not
ask what's we do for stop exportation of the local
as it can be. One, we get porous products. Then we get for map farm. And so by the way, there's a policy, we get policy where they say we not for export rest. Then we get as part of we get policy where they say that, but we need to enforce them. How do we enforce them? We need internal affairs, we need the NRA people then. Where you go, the other day, just a month ago, I've been doing a Cambia. I see the way the fresh waste will come more. If you see truckload where they go, you watch them, they go. And then they can answer. So that's one. But the other way, apart from enforcement, we set as government, starting this year, we get project, we not be getting no money for buyers. I talk say no. We put 2 million, a small thing, but a pilot. Up to $2 million, we say, $1.5 million, we say, the bar will look arrest. From then side for compete with them people outside the rest they go for Briankana we market. Next year, this 2025, we will double that amount there and we will approach Ministry of Finance for say this is not a big thing we for do. What's the main people where rest they can and they get because when the season they come, then they can talk to the farmer and give them small team so the farmer then owe them. So when they're not done, then the harvest can and go. Partly also, we not get them big rice mill and for milk quickly make her into the way we look and we work on Dandy for change Dandy. And then side and Cambia, Tomabo, Tonkolili, we put rice mill and they so that if you produce US 1 million, you go million and sell them inside this country. So we work on all on the both enforcement, incentive, and for we own activity then SSF what they do. Unfortunately, we're not getting the actual number for the 5%, the amount which they do that money. They go to the general consolidated funds, Ministry of Finance, they push out into various activities where we they do, and not get the exact amount. But even if not being the total amount of don't come up and the based on what they come on and 15 million per year, then you know they do too much for really change the bonus something. But even if we don't get the total amount that 15 million and if we don't come based on the amount of rest we come in on the data we'll get at that 5%, we'll like we chance is on 25 million per bag, right? We'll do the math at the count of about 15 million per year.
Thank you very much. Okay, no, that's all. Last line, we will ask question first, and then we will go. Okay, so today is that's on the lights. Okay, so we will do 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left order, 5 to the gentleman, and then we don't decide. If we go sharp into the point, if person in a new person now does remind you, say, the only star will give you when you're at this panel. You know the one to start. Ask a question. Direct name, institution, and question. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, my name is Alfred Puradi, report for Focus on TV. The question that I want to ask now directly to the Minister of Trade and Industry, because we all see where some of them prices there can change, especially rice. Especially for the people in the provinces, we can see say the transport fare can affect the price because the drivers they cost rice by bag. So how the Ministry of Trade going to work with the Ministry of Transport, but let them talk to the drivers union on how they going to foresee say they reduce in some of the prices where they cost the people where they send the rest in the provinces. And again, that are question I want for ask again.
You don't say only so many possible. So do our best in the
Pass the mic.
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes. Remember, Mahmoud Silla, and the question they directly go to Minister of Agriculture. Mr. Minister, according to research done by some Sierra Leoneans, they say for Feed Salon to succeed, the government need 32 billion United States dollar. As it is, una don't only mobilize 1 billion, so which is a drop in the ocean. I want to tell Sierra Leoneans if that research is correct.
Thank you. Next.
Kamara, I write for New Citizen newspaper. The question for the Minister of Agriculture.
Please, if somebody, if I don't have to send people outside, but my one needs to come here, please, go ahead.
Yeah, so my question for the Minister of Agriculture. I want to take you through the just concluded audit report. We record, see, we harvest some rice, we people don't know before account for. Then you also mentioned, see, most of the rice on the harvest, on can sell at the villages there. You know, think to say that clearly they should see, they do small as compared to wetin una promise done as after February 14 almost we expect to buy a cup of rice. Thank you.
I report for News Times Daily. My question will go to the Minister of Trade. The years for bag on say 834 to 840. Now we expect always when person go buy wholesale price, it can say more than the money where it don't go buy. But now when I say it will come down to 700 and something. But you always expect for get profit. If you go buy 50, you can cancel 55 or 60. I don't know if you understand what they say. Mr. Minister, the word watch me, let me can relax. Clear. You understand? You understand what I say? Well, okay. Very clear. Also to the Minister of Agriculture, I want to know if the feed salon will get a farm where they produce this. Okay, where we're able for supply the people now Freetown or all over the country, because you say this was like already in a container, they're going to different places there. And my idea yesterday for salon, for feed salon, not to fulfill other countries. I believe so for satisfying self-force before ever we go extra side.
Thank you. Next final question for this round. The gentleman Good afternoon. My name is Jafferman Davis from Haiti Democracy. Minister of Trade, you talk about when I don't put price for race, but you don't talk about punishment if persons tell them otherwise. And again, the person from CTC talk about if, say, if stability in exchange and forex, I think, or freight, something like that, then we'll make sure, say, the price stability there on. We mean, say, if they hope about stability on anything, in order for be considered, make I want to ask about what do you think about this and how I want to go about that. Minister of Agriculture, talk about so that's quite a few very good questions. I want to take most of them to the 2 minutes that I'm aware. I think someone said will take the notes on one question here. So I think, Minister, you get a question about $32 billion for feed salon and whatever needed. And then there's questions about whether farm. And even discussion about the audit reports, again about house and what you do in time, but then there's another question about whether the production right now is too small for what's the ambition. I think you don't want to address that. But maybe we do that on Monday, and then we'll come to the Minister for taking on them. Yes.
All right, thank you. Mr. Silla, I don't see that report yet for the 32 billion. I go elect for CM. But the sentiments they try for sure with that question, it did expensive for do feed salon. I don't know if it reached 32 billion. We don't do a lot of maths. For the thing that we want to do, maybe 2.8 billion, go do a lot of the things that we will get now with strategy, right? But last year that report there, I go glad for CM. I don't know if it's correct or wrong report, but it seems big to me, but I don't see it. Ramadan. So we really want to see the dynamics with the local rice price as a result of this price decrease. So I don't ask me people them. That would just they ask. They'll do the next month or so, that will just understand what's in the happen with the local rest price. Now an academic process for me, I want to understand them. So I'm not going to tell you what's in the price will be February 14 at all. I not talk say we the harvest rest and sell them. And now I just combine these two questions. We Mariam asked Fisalo will not get farm. I talk say we do the government of Sierra Leone, we put 600,000 hectares under cultivation. The way we do feeds alone, now we create the enabling environments where if you self want to do 100 hectares, if you want to do 30 hectares, you go do one. If you do one, not to me they can't control you how what you for do with your rest. I'll let people understand it very clearly. Government not get rest farm, will not get feeds alone rest farm no day. Yes, government is support farmer and through project and donor money for say yes, hunger day, hungry day, with the support now. But now a small drop in the ocean. The real goal now for look at private sector they want for invest. So now people say we they make road, we they do irrigation, we they invest in rice mill, so that private sector can do one. When they can do one, then a business then go on for make money, right? So I don't know, we know it's we need to come regularly now for the communicate how we want to do this. Rest different from education as social service. But rest we are very willing for pay to them farmer the way they import rest can so that means if we are willing, that means a business person self business opportunity they go take money do it to them, they do it as business and make money. Right? So I think say, so feed salon farm not they as feed salon we get program that will they do a project, will they support yes, and will they do Boku enabling environment in the irrigation, rice mills, will they give good fertilizer, all in the but only enough for the individual that we then say they want to be farmer and they look for small support from government. Right? So now that audit report, I don't read the audit report, but I don't see again. For say we they produce rest and sell an available, we need to sell rest, we know they sell.
It's say unaccounted.
Unaccounted?
Yes, it's say rice harvested are unaccounted for.
Well, by us? No, well, I don't understand. Again, if the ministry know they grow rest for anybody now, farmer then they do their own rest. How? So I understand
why they grow. That was the point clear. Like, as if you tell people how you pass for guests. So, what do you want to do is that there are some amount of less who are plants.
But some no similar plants. No similar
But let me say that go through that report. I now catch this particular salary they talk about. Please, I will look to see him, yeah? Thank you.
I think two questions. One around transports, and the way things like transports play in the price. The board say about whether the engagement to drivers, but you want to add, say also the checkpoints the way driver in the connect to, because by the time they connect free to, say they reach both to the people. And when they go through so many checkpoints, this that they charge them for us, and they say they reach go back the local council, they go around checkpoint. So I want to make sure so this price no reduction it reflects this, and then connected to that another question punishments. In all these announcements, it will set a price. For example, prior they can go shut down that whole station. So what can buy yes? What's not the punishments?
Okay, thanks very much. A very interesting question. First, we take all parameters that will give them cost. Transport, you rent, all number, take your profit home. We calculate how much profit you for make. The reason we could delay slightly for even police, now because they work with my colleague minister, they will get other people who don't can report based on some of them things here where my colleague minister there is like then checkpoints, like rest. By the time it's all then checkpoints or whatever, then they ask people and all. But these are things. Since they're not formal, we engage the other key players. If we not engage for 8 months for now, to sell this now, we just need few days for complete all of this because at the the colleague Minister of Transport to don't set the team and the work. Hopefully they complete the price in self today. Then they don't know. Then I don't get the leadership of the police, then the leadership now, some of them in position, what it mean. Because what it mean, if people reduce the price, then for benefits only, the benefits will go if some of them charges are continue for them. And we get for enforce. As I've been talking now, we get local content agency, we get consumer protection agency. We get right for protect every consumer in this country. So government don't make a policy, you want violator. The consumer protection agency get a law when they use for car after you. With the user and we enforce her. And we don't meet all entire. All the two they talk so. The questions that I ask, we don't prepare for them before. And we don't anticipate some of their problems here for a month, so we work towards them. So the hope say between now and the weekend, we don't clear all the one day, we get the rice in price, outside we want them for the day. Yeah? We have a disadvantage any retailer. Obviously, the one that don't go buy large quantities before we drop the price, then we will struggle first, but I mean, they still have one at a loss, that we know. Yeah? So we will enforce that. Violators, we're going to take them. Then somebody asks a question, change in the, there's a change in the price of the variables. Well, like it's not about the price formula of the formula, the good thing about transparency. If the rest in price go up or in transportation go up, we will see the formula, it will go up. But if you can't do it, will count on. The good thing is, nobody will take advantage power. Nobody will like power. People will go from club. They just decide they want to they say so they say price or no nothing will happen. You know, you get the good side, get the bad side. But generally, the good side, that transparency and that predictability. Now we know how much with the buyers, how much with the seller, and no one person, no one importer no get the right for no import rights. Plus, what can see back with government to go to that committee. We review all the variables there. We say, as this don't go up, we go up. The government go up, we say, no price don't come down, we go for put and down. I see the work for few alone. So, then the thing that will go for happen for the variables there. I notice we almost go to 3:30, but with the permission of the panelists then, we will extend by 15 minutes, so we'll take this set of questions and we'll get on this side, and then we'll go down. So I'll see the annual open and we'll question down. Okay? So we'll do number 1 at the lady, number 2 at the gentleman, number 3 at the camera, number 4 at the owner, and number 5 at the owner. So those are the 5 we'll take. All right, slow down.
Good afternoon. My name is Fatima Mohamed Bangura. I report for New Age newspaper. My question is go to the ministers. Mr. Minister, sir, you say the government will get funding, but back then we didn't about the Tamaboy race. One is important for letting the Tamaboy business go come in, and then also when we expect the Tamaboy.
If one officer important for everything.
For the Tamaboy, a non-issue for the rest for looking to come in.
Okay.
And then also when we expect the reduction of the rest in price.
Okay, thank you. Next, let us know. Ibrahim Sarasisi, Voice of Salon Radio. Mr. Minister of Agriculture, in the last 10-day government press briefing, you be talk about mechanization and when you be focused